Hello, how's it going everybody? So in today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of this TP-Link AC1750 access point. So nonetheless, let's go right ahead and open this up. So here we have the front of the box. As you can see, basically the TP-Link AC750. So we do have 1300 megabytes plus a 450 megabytes. So it would be, with the 5 gigahertz as well as with the 2.4. High density connectivity, centralized management, long range coverage. We'll see how that one goes. So, all right, so that's the front as well. Here we have a shot of the back of the box. Package contents. So, of course, we do have the access point itself. We do have a gigabit passive PoE adapter. We have a power cord, installation guide, and mounting kit. So here we have the unit unboxed. So let's go ahead and grab the access point. All right, so here is the access point itself. It's not that big, so it's fairly small. From the looks of it, we do have a status light here, so it can actually warn us if it has internet connection or if there's any errors when it's basically mounted, let's just say on a wall or on top of the ceiling. So in the back, you do see some connections here. So you do see an Ethernet 2 right here. You do have a reset button, and you have the Ethernet 1 with PoE, which basically this one you'll use to go right ahead and connect your PoE device. We do have, of course, these little openings here. Most likely it is going to be for, once you have the plate mounted where you want it, this will just go right ahead and snap in. So we do have general public licensing notice. Okay, so we have basically some more products that you could go right ahead and purchase. So basically, they do have PoE switches. I was actually looking at one, and I believe it was maybe an 8 or a 12 PoE switch, and I was like, and it wasn't that expensive. It was like $100, but I mean, to get a PoE switch like that, it's like not bad. Not sure if I'll ever purchase it, but I mean, it is an option if you want a PoE switch. We do get, of course, quick installation guide right here, and we have the plate that I was mentioning. So you'll go right ahead and basically screw this to either the wall or the ceiling, and then after that, you could go right ahead and basically just grab the access point, and of course, let's see if I could do it here. Yeah, so you just grab the access point and you just basically just lock it in, and that's gonna hold it down. Of course, like I mentioned, we do have the PoE adapter right here. So you do have the power connection here to power, and you do have the PoE connection as well as the LAN connection. We have the power cord right here. Not that long from the looks of it. Maybe, let's see. Let's see how long this is. So the power cord would be 16 inches in length. And of course, some of the last equipment is, of course, some more hardware here, some screws. Most likely, so you could go right ahead and put it in sheetrock. So you do have some more there, and you do have kind of like the tile hardware here. So if you're in a business that you could go right ahead and take off the roof tiles, you could go right ahead and set these or set the access point up there. Alrighty, everybody, so I really do hope you enjoyed this unboxing of this TP-Link AC1750 access point. And like always, I really do hope you enjoyed this video, and we will catch you on the next one.